There's Priscilla on the back with Jake the Jerker. And I'm filming as I'm driving along, not looking where the hell I'm going. All I was doing is looking through the end of my damn camera. Whoa, like a hitter. And I was looking back filming. When I turned back around, I was almost out on the ditch and turned back around again. Look at that. Whoa! Almost hit that down. See that? Almost hit that. That's a bridge down there.
Sorry, Dad, I missed it.
Ooh. Well, we can show it again. And there's Jewel. There's that Jewel girl. Rebecca? No, what's her name? And there's Mert. Mert and Charlene. Is that her name? Charlotte. And then here comes the idiot brothers. Oh. And they're both a little bit wacko. Yeah? What'd I say? There's Hubert! Hubert! And Wooler. And that little girl, what's that girl's name? Mary? And there's the old lady with a wooden leg behind Hubert. See, this was the first one. I filmed the other one a while ago. You want to see that one? No, a little bit more. Whoop, God damn it, let it alone.